there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kristina. I thought that I would do a video on some completed pages for June. That way I don't have a long end of June completed pages video. So hopefully this will be about 10 minutes and will be easier to get through. So we'll go ahead and start with this Whimsy Girls Around the World by Hanna Lynn. The page that I did here was this one, and she has alcohol markers and washi tape, gold accents, and Prismacolors as well, and some white alcohol ink on all of the details. I like how that one turned out, and I do like to do mixed media type pages, so this one made me very happy to do, and I was glad I had some cool washi tape to make for her on this one. The next one is from Steampunk Darlings, and that's Hanna Lynn. She has Ohuhu alcohol markers and colored pencils, Prisma color pencils. I like how she turned out. Next up is from Romantic Country, a fantasy coloring book by Erie. And the one I completed here was this scene, and that is alcohol markers and glaze pens. The flowers are glaze, the bushes, some on the cat, as well as some glitter pen, the flowers down at the bottom, and the railing is actually glaze pen too. Next up is the Hanna Carlson children's book, and I did the cupcake page, which has Tombow markers and stickles, the moon dust. Oops. This was just a fun page to do. This book is really cute. If you don't have it, it's worth getting. The next one is from Mermaids in Paradise, which I have a flip through on this book on my channel, and it's from Denise Collett. I chose this mermaid page. This has acrylic, watercolor, colored pencils, and Mod Podge glitter on top, and acrylic ink for the water bubbles, which was not my best attempt, but they're there. But she's very glittery. Next up is from the ever popular Pop Manga Dragons and Other Magically Mythical Creatures by Camilla Darico. And for this one, I chose the horse page, and I was trying out Paul Rubens watercolor and abstract background. And then I also used Mod Podge on this one. It helps preserve the pages as well. They become thicker. So that's one of the reasons why I use the Mod Podge. Next one is Maria Troll, Drew Marius. think I did one of the front pages here. Yes. Prismacolors over a base of alcohol markers, and I use a blender, alcohol blender, over the pencils as well, and then use the glitter. Since it had the black background, I thought that would be pretty cool. And I don't know if I had finished this one in May or June, but I did do this one as well. And she has all kinds of things. This is alcohol markers, polychromos, gel pen, Mod Podge. Yeah. See if I can get it all in there. I like how that one turned out. Bright and colorful. The way I like my pages generally. And Colorage Wild by Emmanuel Colin. I think I have another glitter page. Yes. I did do this one. And she's got a glitter layer too. And that was some oil. I believe I used some oil crayons on the background and then used pencils for the rest, and then gave her the glitter. And that's out of Colorage. In the 100 Best Grayscale Coloring Pages by Elena Lazareva, I did this page with Pablo pencils and some glitter. I was testing out the Pablos on this page. I like how she turned out. This is a really cool book. If you are interested, it's on Amazon. There's lots of interesting illustrations. Here's also a moon that I did. And this was Pablo pencils blended with a alcohol marker. I tested out quite a few of my pages with Pablo. This one I started but have not finished. That's a whip I'll need to finish. In Fragile World by Kerby, I tried out the Paul Rubens watercolor on this one, and I have not finished the details on the whale shark yet, or the fish surrounding. I just wanted to see what the metallic watercolors looked like. And then I also did this page, and this has ink tints. I did some Pablos, I did polychromos, and some gel pen. But I haven't finished the bottom coral yet. So those are two I'll have to finish as well. I don't generally leave pages undone, but I knew that I would complete them by the end of June, so. And this one out of Worlds Within Worlds, another Kerby book. I did this one. And this is from, I made a cup of black tea and used that as a watercolor. And then I used Pablo's polychromos for the rest. And my process of doing it is on my YouTube, I have some, I think 2 videos of me coloring in it, if you want to refer to that. Next one is Imagine Morphia by Kerby. Wound up doing this in ink tints along with gold leafing. This was when I had my 24 count ink tints. I just purchased the 72 count, so I'm looking forward to having more colors to choose from. Very excited. And then I do have a whip started on this, and I plan on doing ink tints on that as well and some colored pencils over it. And that's it for this month's completed pages. Thank you so much for coming back. If you're a return viewer, and if it's the first time you've seen my channel, welcome. And I hope you have a great day and happy coloring. Bye-bye now.